Hello, hello! Welcome to Daily Life English.
Hello, everyone. I'm Leo.
And I'm Emma, your English teacher.
Today, we talk about daily life.
Yes, daily life. What do you do every day?
I wake up, I eat, I go to work.
Good, Leo. Listeners, repeat after Leo. I wake up, I eat, I go to work. Great job. Let's say it again. I wake up, I eat, I go to work. Okay, Leo, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up at 7.
7 o'clock?
Yes, 7 o'clock.
And what do you do next?
I brush my teeth.
Good. You brush your teeth.
Yes. I wash my face.
Nice. Brush teeth, wash face. Listeners, can you say that? I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Great. Then what do you do, Leo?
I eat breakfast.
Yum. What do you eat?
I eat bread and drink coffee.
Bread and coffee. Listeners, what do you eat for breakfast?
Maybe eggs, maybe rice.
Haha, maybe. Good. After breakfast, what do you do?
I go to work.
You go to work.
Yes, I take the bus.
Oh, you take the bus. Listeners, repeat. I take the bus.
Or maybe you walk.
Yes, repeat. I walk to work. Let's practice. Leo, say I wake up.
I wake up.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
Perfect. Now, Leo, what about the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I eat lunch.
You eat lunch. What time?
At 12 o'clock.
Great. I eat lunch at 12 o'clock.
Then I work.
You work. You are busy.
Yes, I'm busy.
Listeners, repeat. I eat lunch. I work. One more time. I eat lunch. I work.
Good job, everyone.
Okay, Leo, now it's evening. What do you do?
I go home.
You go home.
I eat dinner.
Dinner? What do you eat?
I eat rice and vegetables.
Sounds healthy.
Thank you. Then I watch TV.
You watch TV.
Yes, and then I sleep.
Sleep. Good. Listeners, let's say it together. Emma, slowly. I go home. Okay, Leo, let's play a small game.
Yay!
I say a time, you say what you do.
Okay.
7 a.m.
I wake up.
Great. 12 o'clock.
I eat lunch.
Nice. 9 p.m.
I sleep.
Perfect. Listeners, now your turn. 7 a.m. 12 o'clock. 9 p.m. Very good. Let's review today's words.
Yes, let's remember.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Brush teeth.
Brush teeth.
Eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast.
Go to work.
Go to work.
Eat lunch.
Eat lunch.
Go home.
Go home.
Eat dinner.
Eat dinner.
Sleep.
Sleep.
Great work, everyone.
You did so well.
You can say, I wake up, I eat, I go to work, I go home, I sleep.
Easy English for daily life.
Thank you for listening to Daily Life English.
Thank you, friends.
Practice every day, and you will speak better English.
Yes, practice, practice.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And click like if you enjoyed this lesson.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.